stay and listen to my heart's refrain. If eternity calls, will you bear the strain?